Have you ever wanted to ask someone you like out on a date in English? In this video, you will learn English with a simple love story. Let's practice useful phrases together.
Hey, Emily, Jake, can I talk to you?
Of course, Tom. You look nervous. What's wrong?
I like someone.
Oh, that's nice. Who?
It's Anna. She is your friend, Emily.
Anna. Really? She's very kind.
Yeah, she's great. So what's the problem?
I don't know how to talk to her. I get shy.
Don't worry. We can help you.
Yes, let's make a plan.
First, you can ask her to have coffee.
Coffee, okay.
Keep it simple. Just be yourself.
And smile.
I will try. Hi, Anna. Do you want to get coffee with me?
Hi, Tom. Sure, why not?
So, the weather is nice.
Yes, it is.
Sorry, I'm very nervous.
It's okay.
I like you, Anna.
Oh,
I wanted to talk to you more today.
thank you, Tom. That's kind of you. But I don't know you well, and today was a little quiet. I think we can be friends for now.
I understand. It didn't go well.
I'm sorry, Tom.
What happened?
I told her I like her, but it was too soon.
That's okay. It was your first try.
You can try again.
Really?
Yes. But let's improve your plan. You should ask about her interests.
Yes, ask what she likes.
If you have the same hobby, talk about it.
That sounds good.
Also, Anna likes music. She listens to music a lot.
Oh, really?
Then you can talk about music.
Yes, and show your interest too.
Okay, I will try again. Hi, Anna. Can we meet again?
Okay.
I want to know more about you. What do you like?
I like music. I listen to music every day.
That's nice. I like music too.
Really?
Yes, I started playing the guitar recently.
Oh, that's cool. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock. There is a live concert this weekend. Do you want to go with me?
Oh, really? Yes, I'd love to.
Today was really fun.
Yes, it was.
I'm glad we talked more today.
Me too.
Can we go out again?
Yes, I'd like that.
Emily, Jake, good news.
What happened?
Anna said yes, we are going out again.
Nice.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you for your help.
Anytime.
That's what friends are for.
How much did you understand? Do you want to? Is a very useful phrase in English. We use it to invite someone in a friendly and casual way. So it's perfect for friends, dates, and casual situations. Try using it in your daily life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.